Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Grace and I'm back with another natural hair tutorial for you guys. So today's video I'm going to be doing my own feed-in braids. So the hair I'm going to be using is the pre-stretch braid. It's in the color 1B, also it's 48 inches. And when I do this type of style, I make sure that I braid my hair like the night before, so my hair is completely stretched out when I attempt to do this type of styles, because I have major shrinkage. My hair tends to shrink a lot, so whenever I do this type of styles, I braid my hair like the night before, so that it doesn't shrink up, to prevent any type of shrinkage. The hair tends to braid better when it's in a stretched out form, if you guys know what I mean. When you do this type of braids, it tends to braid better when your hair is stretched out. So as you all just saw, I'm going to be using my Maurice beeswax, also the extreme gel, and it's the 10 strength hold. So to start my feeding braids, I braid my natural hair like 3-step braid first, and I already section off the extensions into 7 pieces. Each piece is bigger than the last, and when I do my steps in braiding my natural hair, I add the extension to the index finger, my index finger first, and leave one piece of the braid out of the hair, and then I pull in. After I do my braid, I pull in the extra piece of extensions underneath each braid, if you guys know what I mean, if you understand what I'm trying to explain. So I'm gonna kind of slow it down for you guys. So as you can see, I just added in the extension to my index finger. I'm going to do like a 1-step braid. After the 1-step braid is done, I'm going to take the next piece of extension, pull it underneath my index finger, and I'm going to continue to do the braid. And I'm going to be doing that for each step of hair that I do, each step of extension that I add into my natural hair. I'm going to be continuing to do that step, also making sure that my natural hair is pulled in really nicely and tucked in under each piece of extension each time that I braid my hair. So I'm going to be doing this for each step. So I know a lot of people struggle with feeding braids. I myself have struggled with feeding braids. Now after a lot of practice, this is the method that I came up with, that that's very easy for me to do. It's not that complicated. So this method I would recommend, if you're a beginner, this method would be perfect for you guys to try to attempt. So just keep trying, just keep doing, just keep practicing, and you're gonna get it. So that's what I did, and this is the method that I came up with, and so far it's been working. So I'm not gonna talk too much for the entire video. I'm gonna leave you guys so you can see what I'm doing. Also guys, to prevent any frizz from my natural hair and the extension, I'm going to be adding some shine and jam as I go along, as I plait each braid to my natural hair, making sure that I add my shine and jam to my feeding braids as well, because I want my feeding braids to look really neat. So to prevent any frizz, you can add any shine and jam or any type of edge control that you have, but I recommend the shine and jam. It works really well when you are doing your feeding braids. So now that my feeding braids are finished, I'm just going to be trimming any flyaways that I see, and using my mousse, using my cream of nature hair mousse, I'm just going to apply some of the mousse to my braids and to the top of my hair. And I can't find my edge control, you guys, at this moment, so I'm going to be using my got to be glue to do my edges. And if you all know, you already know, I love doing my edges for any one of my styles that I do. My edges is a must. So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you can see whenever I post any new natural hair tutorials. So I'm going to be applying some of the got to be glue also to the ends of my hair to seal the ends of the braids, and adding my hair jewels. Now I'm going to be adding my hair jewels to the style to make sure that my hair is complete. Also for this look, I think that the hair rings did top the look off, so I just added in a few of my hair rings, and I think the look came out great. If you guys like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Leave your sis a like, a comment. Also just remember, stay beautiful, stay blessed, create magic. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in another one of my videos. Bye.